Hi, it's Steve Lamontagne from Online Seller Circle. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the button below. Also, turn on your notifications so that you receive a message every time we release new content. In this video, we will talk about reviews and feedback. So whether you're a seller or a customer buying on Amazon, what's the difference between review and feedback? So we will talk about that in this video and walk you through the different steps for each of them. Any links that are related to this presentation will be put in the section below. Also, if you have any questions, make sure to put them in the comments and we will be happy to answer any questions you might have. So let's jump right in. Now let's look at the difference between review and feedback. When a customer buys a product on Amazon, they are able to leave a product review or customer feedback. The review relates to the product specifically, and the feedback relates to the seller and the purchasing experience. So let's look at each. The review will happen when the customer purchases the product. So when someone buys a product on Amazon, they receive a message from Amazon to ask them to share their opinion about the product with other customers. This review must represent a fair opinion of the customer's opinion of the product. And if a customer has left a review on one of your products, you are able as a seller to leave some comments below the product review. So for example, thank you for your review. We really appreciate. This is the kind of thing you can put on as a seller. This is an example of a product listing on Amazon, and the reviews are here at the top. You can see that this product has received 4,826 reviews, and they have an average of 4.5 stars out of 5. And if you scroll down the product listing, you'll see there the breakdown of all the reviews from 5 stars, 4, 3, 2, down to 1 stars, and each review appears on the right. Customers are also able to upload some pictures if they want with their product review. When you are a seller on Amazon, you cannot leave reviews for your own products. You cannot leave negative reviews for your competitors' products, and you cannot incentivize customers to leave a review. So for example, you can't say, please leave me a review and I'll give you 20% off on your next order. Also, you cannot ask customers to send you some feedback and then the positive feedback ask them to turn that into a review, because that would be breaking the terms of engagement of the Amazon terms and services. So these are things you cannot do as a seller to try and incentivize people to put some reviews on your product listing. Let's look at feedback. Feedback relates to the customer's experience of your customer service, but also of the purchase experience. Every time a customer buys a product similar to the product review, Amazon will ask them to share their opinion about the service, and if they want to share that with other customers. So a customer can leave feedback to comment on the seller and the purchase experience, and not the product. Feedback will be displayed in your seller feedback manager as a seller. So let's look on a product listing. This is where the feedback will appear. And you can see here, this is a list of 5 stars feedback. And on the right, you can see a breakdown of the positive, neutral, negative, and count how many feedback this seller has received over 30 days, 90 days, 12 months, and lifetime of the product listing. In your feedback manager in Seller Central, this is how it will appear. So you'll see the feedback rating, how many stars out of 5, and how many ratings you have received. And this will be broken down over time as well. If you want to challenge some feedback that people have left, this is where you can do it. So here is an example of 5 different customer feedback. If someone leaves negative feedback and it includes a product description, so for example, if the first one, instead of saying great product, speedy delivery, where it covers both the product and the customer service, If someone said, I hate this product, will never buy this product again, and put that in the feedback, then you could ask Amazon to remove it because it does not relate to the customer service or their purchase experience. So if you click on the right hand side where it says choose one, you could either post a public reply. So if someone gives you some positive feedback, you could reply and thank them for it, and this will appear in your feedback. But if you feel that the feedback is not a fair representation of your customer service, then you can click on request removal. So you could request removal when the feedback relates to the product specifically, or if, for example, a customer is complaining that the product has not been delivered and you are using Amazon to do your fulfillment. So if you're a seller using FBA, so Fulfillment by Amazon, any problems with the delivery, Amazon will take responsibility. So they will cross out the negative feedback and they will add something along the lines of Amazon takes full responsibility for the fulfillment of the orders. So this will not affect your product, your customer feedback ratings. So as you can see, it's a very simple difference between review, which is specific to products, and feedback, which has to do with the customer experience and feedback about the seller themselves. So if you have any questions, please make sure to get in touch with us. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the section below and we will make sure to answer them. Also get in touch with us through social media or email and we'll be happy to hear from you. Thanks again for watching this video on reviews and feedback, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.